Dear friends, welcome to my channel. We will open and chat with you about cars. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a good time. The McLaren GT supercars introduced in 2019 are set to make an appearance at the Indianapolis 500 and in festivities throughout the month of May. These four cars have been wrapped in liveries commemorating the most prestigious accomplishments of McLaren Racing's Triple Crown, the Indy 500, the Monaco Grand Prix, and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. The McLaren GT liveries were unveiled by Aero McLaren at an event ahead of the Grand Prix of Long Beach last week. They feature designs representing the F1 GTR from the 1995 24 Hours of Le Mans, the MP4/2 from Alain Prost's 1984 Monaco Grand Prix victory, the M16C/D from the 1974 Indy 500 won by Johnny Rutherford, as well as a bespoke black and papaya design to commemorate McLaren Racing's Triple Crown. Aero McLaren's GTs boast a twin-turbo 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 delivering 612 horsepower, combining luxury and performance in one hot supercar package. They will be driven by each of the racing team's drivers, Pato O'Ward, Felix Rosenqvist, Alexander Rossi, and Tony Kanaan. The team is hoping to add to McLaren's rich racing history at the Indy 500 on May 28. Alexander and Tony are both former Indy 500 winners, while all four of them finished in the top 5 of last year's greatest spectacle in racing. Tony Kanaan, who is set to retire from IndyCar after the race, expressed his excitement about driving the Triple Crown liveries on the McLaren GTs around Indy all month. Our Triple Crown liveries are iconic, and now they're replicated on McLaren GTs that we get to drive around Indy all month. How cool is that? The Aero McLaren team has been doing a lot to make my final IndyCar ride a special one, and I hope we can make history together next month. Kanaan said fans can expect to see these iconic liveries and high-performance cars at various events throughout the month of May, as the Aero McLaren team prepares for the Indy 500.